Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SketchUp. First, navigate to the official SketchUp website to download the installer file. Once downloaded, locate the file and double-click to begin the installation process. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions, accepting the terms and conditions. After successful installation, launch SketchUp for the very first time. You will then be prompted to choose a template, which sets the default units and style for your new projects. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start. Once SketchUp is running, it is time to personalize your workspace for maximum efficiency. You can customize which toolbars are visible by going to the View menu, then Toolbars. Arrange your trays, such as the default tray, to keep panels like materials and components readily accessible. Head into the Preferences menu to set your preferred units, like meters or feet, and adjust precision levels. Taking a few minutes to configure keyboard shortcuts for common actions will significantly speed up your design process. Delving deeper into preferences ensures SketchUp performs exactly as you need it to. Check your OpenGL settings under Preferences to optimize graphics performance, especially if you have a dedicated graphics card. It is wise to configure your file saving options, including autosave frequency and backup locations, to prevent data loss. You can also fine-tune drawing settings, such as edge styles and profile lines, to match your visual preferences. Finally, manage your installed extensions and their update behaviors here. To truly unlock SketchUp's full potential, you will want to explore extensions. The extension warehouse is built right into SketchUp, offering thousands of tools to enhance functionality. Simply navigate to Window, then Extension Warehouse, to browse and search for extensions that fit your specific needs. Installation is often a one-click process, seamlessly integrating new features into your software. Remember to regularly check for updates to your installed extensions to ensure compatibility and access the latest improvements and bug fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.